Hey guys, this is Mark coming to you from Thor. We're showing you our new line of cameras that we put out recently. This is going to be a short little promo to give you a little overview. We do have numerous models and a controller. This one over here is the Maximus 4K Fly. This is the Maximus Pro Fly and the MaximusProX. This fancy controller is the MaximusControl. As you can see here, it has a LCD display at the top, all sorts of buttons, and in the back, a lot of controls for navigating, Ethernet, RS control, RS422 and RS232. These cameras are all connected to this switch, so we want to show you a quick demonstration on how easy this is to do. And again, all these cameras are slightly different. For example, this little guy over here, I put on one of these pedestals. You can use it in a different variety of cases. Again, this one's very simple, minimal plugins, and you can put it on one of these tripods for easy distribution. HDMI in, USB 3.0 out. The next one over here, we have, as you can see, simple situation, SDI, Ethernet, HDMI, some RS controls, and the DC. And again, these are mostly full tilt units. And I'll show you the last one here quickly. This is an awesome camera, awesome unit, has a bunch of inputs and outputs. As you can see, SDI, HDMI, LAN, control, and Visca for Sony. Also DC, input for power. So these are all fairly simple to use, set up. Again, simple Ethernet controller, HDMI. We did put a camera outside, one of these guys. We put it outside to show you how good the clarity is. As you can see here in the picture, you can see actually a couple bugs flying around, some bees harvesting off the palm tree. I'm going to show you guys how to do that in a second. These cameras do come with individual remotes. You can sync them up however you want. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top, so you can have 4 cameras and control all of them from this one remote. I set these up to cascade, meaning with one button, I can rotate the cameras back and forth. Again, 2 different models, and with one button, I can control what these guys do. You can set them up to be individually, done, controlled. The one outside is set up for this. So are these, so I can show you real quick. 3 is this one. Oh, no, that's the one outside. That is the one outside. This is camera 2, should be this one. Yeah, so you can use this controller to pretty much do whatever you want. And again, this one can have up to 7 cameras connected to it. This is camera 1 on our setup. Right, you can do all sorts of cool stuff with those. And I just wanted to show you for camera 3, we're back at our little bush here. So you can zoom out quite a bit on this Pro X. And as you can see, zooming out, we're looking at a palm tree that's considerable distance away. And again, you can, look around and do whatever you want to do with these cameras. They're full functioning, up or down. So these are really easy to use, easy to set up. And this is all done just through Ethernet and IP addresses. We didn't do anything special to hook these guys up. There's no RS control. But this is our quick lineup overview of all these units. And again, these are all readily available. The cameras are in stock, ready to ship. Accessories like this you can find anywhere, easy to set up. You can just set one of these up in your house. If you're doing Zoom classes, if you're doing conferencing, these are great for that kind of thing because they're only a couple cables to do, and you just use them as stationary objects. So each one of these has its ups and downs, like the guy in the end that I was just showing you here has amazing zoom built in. We have another unit that I believe has 30x zoom. So depending on what you're looking for, what your price point is, I'm sure we can find a model to help you out. And again, controllers are also available too, or you can just use a simple controller that comes with the devices. So that was just a quick overview of the cameras, the Maximus line of units we now carry. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 1-800-521-8467, or look us up on the web at thorbroadcast.com. Thanks.